come to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne as he listens to Miss D's video and dissects it. So won't you run on over and listen for yourself, as she speaks about people that goes to America or foreign, and a lot of things about the things. So just come on over, watch the video, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to comment. Yes, we would like to hear from you to know how you feel.
Yes, thank you. Right. Yeah. I'm going to take a message, Plankashop, and let me take a call. Wait. Good evening, Miss Good evening, Miss Auntie Dana. You're right. Good evening, Miss Auntie Dana. Yes, we understand what you're saying. Good evening, Miss Auntie Dana. Very good topic you are on. Auntie Dana, you are not lying. Auntie Dana, I work in a Jamaican restaurant right here in the Bronx. And Auntie Dana, a lot of men hang out near to the restaurant where I also work. And a lot of men hang out near to the restaurant where I also work, and the woman them. And Dana, when they come to the restaurant, especially in winter time, they will come and buy a cup of soup and them all sit and sit down and watch TV. Summertime they are outside, and if you listen to them, Auntie Dana, they are not working. All they talk about is which round robin I keep, which party I keep. That's all you hear them talking about, and chat people business. It's true. A lot of them over here, Auntie Dana,
love people business.
People business, chat people business, party out them life, and sit down on street corner and in a restaurant all about and don't have nothing in a life. Some of them workless, Auntie. You're not telling any lie. That's true. Enough of them Jamaican here left Jamaica, so them are going to find for better themselves. And all them going to find, go do a watch them one another. Bad mind them one another, fast in a people business and right chat people and right waste out the whole of them time in a foreign. And when you that Jamaica now and try make use of yourself, the amount of hate and bad mind will take you. They live up in a people business, they live from people. And that then do party, you know see? Yeah, girls say then come in there when a winter time, when the time cold, then come sit down buy soup. And she said then chat.
I love people business.
Yes, so to Jericho. All they talk about a party and chat people. I saw them steer. But Dr. Love used the word and say, and what?
Discombobulated.
No, no, that big word there.
Discombobulated.
I saw some of them Jamaican steer. They make the Jamaican look bad. Big up the nice, clean people. Some of them have the opportunity to go back to school, are foreign, and better themselves. And then, no, tell them to fast in a Dana go business. Tell them to fast in a this year one year business. And the people, them with them are trouble and move. Alright, look for me now. I will not drop no word. I made us a chat, because I feel for chat.
Chat out to your good Lord.
My name in a phone and in a real life. So them a call my name, they now go know him want to sit down and call my name. And every call them my name, I call me, I climb up, let them take a go up. Where them there? Look on them who I call my name for years in a phone. Where them achieve? Every year, where them can show? Where them can say then they are America, then they are Jamaica, then they are Cayman, then they are England, then they are Canada. I want to show me now. Where them can assure you? Where them can put, you see any of them are signing any contract? You see any of them out there say put up anything so them achieve this? You see any of them do nothing? No. Them valuable time sit down in a Dana business, sit down in a Lou business, sit down in a Garnet business, sit down in a their neighbor business and waste out them time. And as your queen oldness done upon them, they upon them and nothing then. If Uncle Sam said take out to no Rastafari out America, then can't show nothing. And we not talk no once, man, we attack people. Because the woman that say, all them come in a restaurant, come do when winter cold, then come buy one cup soup. And sit down and chat people. And talk about which party then go. And wish just so then go. They not achieve nothing. They not invest in no business. They not do nothing. They not sit down and look so. I look like brother dog, brother monkey, and brother push pan people who go somewhere. Well, you see a little girl write a little story, I read a little something, and she said, you ever live in some community yet? I don't know if you see it. And I said, I go share it, but through somebody call me from my phone, I never remember. She said, you ever live in some community yet, and you go work every day, and some girls sit down on the street corner and just chat you so, and I said, this boy, and I said, this boy, and you pass them every day. I go work, and when January come, the same place, you can achieve something, you buy this, you do this, and when January come, them sit down at the same corner and chat you. A son of the careless Jamaican them. Workless, careless one them that foreign away some for some money and a wasting time. And them to put them on plane and send them back here. Make them come know son at a hard life. Because some of them that foreigner nothing to their name. Oh, some of them are gonna go waste time. Me I talk about the people that are going foreign and make use of foreign. Hello, good afternoon.
That's true. Hi, Sister Donna. Yeah. Long gone those days when we said we want to come to America because we want to live the American dream. But you know, we have to tell our kids when they come here that there is no American dream anymore. True. But you can create your own dream.
Of course,
it is hard, but you can create your own dreams. And you know you have to be you gotta do everything. When you come here and not have nothing, you have to just say, you know what? I come for a reason. If you don't have a vision when you come into people's country, you're not gonna achieve nothing. You have to have a vision. You have to have a what is my purpose why I come into this country? This country is not mine. Me not go party out the whole of me look for money. Me not go do living job. Me not go do country job. I come to this country without nothing to, and I'm not ashamed to talk to, and the way I wash one, put it on, wash, and in this country I own 5 cars since I've been in this country. I take my children them into this country and I work hard. And I never go party. Me never go party, me never go club, me never go dance, me go church, but me not go nowhere else. And me not feel no way. Me not saying everybody must be like me or other people. But guess what? You have to have a vision when you come into people's country. Because you know why? We're not coming up with sometimes we come into people's country and we not realize this country don't run like Jamaica. Yeah. This country run a different way. So you can be somebody and I know look run out, me get run out, me work from me at 13 and I remember one time I went back to my house and my mother said when I come back for and I still never give up and I run away from abuse and I proud of myself. Sometimes I feel like we're worthless. Sometimes my friends say, shut up and stop saying that. I have to just give God thanks. So all of us Jamaicans that come to business with no other country, all the Jamaicans that come here, we have a lot of successful Jamaicans in this country. I tell you, them
really?
We are so proud of them.
Nana Lynn is an example. Nana Lynn come up on my veranda and me and her sit down in a star reason. And Nana Lynn show me her Airbnb and I put it up. Me say, lady, I was so shocked. She say, if I put out the whole of them house, them phone out. About 40 planka woman send me them house, you know. I want lady, she said, Dana, me not no paper. She send me one house, the woman send me one house painting I want cream, peach, brown color with 3 different color. And she said, Auntie Dana, shit me clean up here and throw partner and build this. And I feel good. She said, anytime I come to Jamaica, I'm in and no worries. Some of them walk this and careless. Nothing they know up there do. And I've outboard and there if you pass in the people business. Nothing to them here.
I never been to another country. I only been to a United States. Nobody can tell me so them in a United States because what this Jewish girl did say to me one day said she's a lawyer and she said I cannot understand people come to this country and go married to a man when they have no papers and them not have none and the man not have none. It doesn't make no sense and I feel them country, you know, so we have to understand. So when we come here, so people looking at us and say, you know, things are here, you can be done, but you have to work hard, you have to look and like, say, you're going to take up strangers, take up strays, or take up whatever. But when you have to have a vision. You have to have a vision. I am so proud. I am so happy. I feel so good when I see the Jamaican, them just love how them,
Dash
you know,
them
come and them
way,
work
so.
hard, you know, them
Yeah,
work
that's
hard,
them,
you know, the hospital, them work hard, them work hard and them achieve. Them achieve, but some of them don't come here with
see one in
no
the
vision.
comment that says somehow no take the mark of the beast for keep material things. And that's all them can sit down and say. When then they are foreign and waste out them time and sit down and watch people. Then come with all kind of story. They sit down careless over foreign, you know.